Hello my friends, welcome back to another video of Takeover. Today in this video I just want to show you how to install Google TV to your Windows PC. So if you just want to know about this, follow my video instruction and open up the browser and then just type BlueSec on the box of the search bar. Once you got the result, just click to open the website, and it's completely free tool that you can install to PC and you can use your Google TV. So you're gonna save it and wait a few seconds until you get the download set up, then open up and install to your PC. And here we go, it's already in my PC. What you're gonna do, just go choose up my games, then you're gonna click on system apps and you will find out the Google Play Store. Open it, sign up to your Gmail account, and let me just sign in my account. And here we go, it's already, you're gonna type here the Google TV. Once you got the results, just click to open, and here we go, we're gonna install it. Now it's ready to use. I just open it and just click on continue, and here we go. This is all about how to install Google TV to your Windows PC. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video to your friends. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button. See you until next quick tutorial videos. Bye bye my friends, peace.